Hi, I'm JP with Maverick Car Company. If you've recently bought tires for your car, you know that they're not an inexpensive purchase, and so you want to get the most out of that purchase. And one thing we recommend, typically with every oil change service appointment, is to rotate your tires. And typically your front of your car, the edges of the tires will wear a little bit more as you're turning. And so to keep your tires wearing evenly throughout the life of them, we recommend you rotate the fronts to the back. I also like to check the tire pressure each service appointment as well to make sure that they have the optimum amount of air in them. That also helps them wear the best. So here we go. Another thing I also like to do as I'm moving the tires around is just to do a quick look to see that there's no nails or screws that get picked up. A lot of people have a special talent for picking up things that can cause you to have an air leak. And sometimes it can be a really small leak that you really don't notice, but every so often you get your tire pressure sensor light come on your dash that you have a low tire. Those look good. And also, as far as tire wear goes, things you want to look for is that they kind of wear evenly across the tread. And there's also something that can be called cupping, which especially in the front and some of the bigger like mud terrain tires, you'll see that these lugs will get kind of cut down at an angle, and then the next one comes up, and that's something you can hear more road noise, and it just doesn't help the tires wear well. As far as tread wear goes, for safety's sake, there's wear bars, and you can kind of see this little line across here. Those are, when you get down where these are the same height as that, that's a good indicator that it's definitely time to replace your tires, especially during the winter months when the roads can be a little bit slicker than summertime. And there you go with a quick little review of tire rotation.